Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 8th of July. But before we begin, quiz. Which state government is launching a new scheme to provide free treatment to poor COVID patients in the contracted private hospital? Which Indian company and Rolls-Royce has signed a MOU for supporting Rolls-Royce MT-30 marine engines in India? Which Indian actor has won the Best Actor award at New York City International Film Festival? Who has won the men's single title at Madrid Open? So you have to tell me men's single title and women's single title also. PM Modi virtually participated India European Union leaders meeting, which was the country currently holding the presidency of the Council of European Union. DGCI has approved the emergency use of anti-COVID drug developed by DRDO. What is the name of this drug? Which police has started COVID-19 hospital transport service for free transportation of needy infected patients? Which bank has been started as the digital payment partner by the National Agriculture Market (ENAM)? Fiamin Naomi Matafa has become the first female prime minister of which country? Which state has launched MHIM mobile app for the home isolation patients? So these were some of the quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. So which state government is launching? So this is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is launching a new scheme to provide free treatment for COVID patients, and Shivraj Singh is the chief minister. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. So which Indian company and Rolls-Royce has signed MOU? So this is Hindustan Aeronautics. Hindustan Aeronautics. Name the Indian actor who has won Best Actor. So this is Anupam Kher. Anupam Kher has won the Best Actor award at New York City International Film Festival. So who has won Women's Single title? This is Ariana Sablenka. Ariana Sablenka. And Men's Single title has been won by Alexander Zverev. Alexander Zverev. PM Modi virtually participated in the India European. So which country is the leading? So this is Portugal. Portugal. Portugal's capital is Lisbon. Lisbon. DGCI has approved the emergency use of anti-COVID drug developed by DRDO. What is the name? So the name is 2DG. 2DG. So which police has started COVID-19 hospital transport service? Haryana Police. Haryana Police. Which bank has started the digital payment partner with ENAM? So this is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank, which is based in Mumbai. Famin Naomi Matafa is the first female president of small country Samoa. Samoa. MHIM, the mobile application, has been launched by Manipur. Manipur. N. Biren Singh is the chief minister. So let's discuss our today's current affairs. Which edition of International Film Festival of India will held in Goa from 20th to 28th November of 2021? So it is the 52nd edition of International Film Festival. 52nd International Film Festival to be held in Goa. To be held in Goa. And who is the chief minister of Goa? Pramod Sawant. Pramod Sawant. Who is the governor? Governor is, he is also the governor for Maharashtra also. His name is, I'm not recognizing the name. Okay, I will tell you later. And Goa has become the first state in India to be completely free from rabies. Completely free from rabies. And Goa has launched the rural household electrification in rural households in the month of June only, and they celebrate their statue day on 30th of May. On 30th of May, and they have launched this scheme on their statue day, electrification in the rural households, and Maharashtra's chief minister is Uddhav Thackeray, and governor is, I'm not remembering. So if you know any, then you just comment me down. Okay, which insurance company has launched its Saral Pension, an individual immediate annuity plan? So this is Life Insurance Corporation, LIC. LIC has launched the Saral Pension Initiative, and the chairman of LIC is Yamar Kumar. Yamar Kumar is the chairman for LIC, which is headquartered in Mumbai. Which state has announced a cash of rupees 20 lakh to first fully vaccinated assembly constituency? So this is Manipur. Manipur state has announced a cash reward of 20 lakh rupees for the first fully vaccinated assembly constituency. And who is the chief minister? Biren Singh. And recently they have launched Yum Pension app, and War on Drugs has been launched by Manipur, and one more app, MoMA app, one more app, MHIM. In the quiz itself we have discussed MHIM app. And the best police station of India is in Thoubal district of Manipur. The name of the police station is Nongpok Sekmai, which is in Thoubal district of Manipur. So you can remember these things. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Okay, so let's forward. Section 66A of the IT Act was scrapped by the Supreme Court in which year? So this is by 2015. In 2015, the Section 66A of IT Act was scrapped by Supreme Court. PhonePe has announced a partnership with Flipkart to launch which contactless feature to digitize cash on delivery payment? So PhonePe has partnered with Scan and Pay with Flipkart, has partnered with Flipkart to launch Scan and Pay. And if you talk about Flipkart recently has partnered with Telangana government for drones, medicine from the sky initiative. For these things, using drones, Flipkart has partnered with Telangana government, and KCR is the chief minister. Tamilisai Soundararajan is the governor. Hema Kohli is the only female chief justice of the High Court, the High Court of Telangana government. Of course, it has the capital Hyderabad. We have biotech something Covaxin. Covaxin vaccine has been developed by Bharat Biotech. Yes, Bharat Biotech has been developed by Bharat Biotech. PhonePe CEO is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. So next, this is Jim. Jim Whitehurst has stepped down from the post of the president of which company? So he is the president of IBM, International Business Machine. He is the president of he was the president of IBM, International Business Machine. And who is the chairman? Arvind Krishna. Arvind Krishna, International Business Machine. Jammu and Kashmir administration has put an end to 149-year-old Dabra movement tradition. This tradition was started by Maharaja Ranbir Singh in which year? So it has been started in 1872. In 1872. And in Jammu Kashmir, we have one village called Wayan. Why it was in news? Because in Wayan, 100% adult vaccination has been done. 100% of the adult vaccination has been completed in this village. And recently they have launched Hamari Sadak Tamir Tarakki. Sadak and Tamir Tarakki. And who is the Chief Justice of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh High Court? Pankaj Mittal. Pankaj Mittal. There is one bank called Jammu and Kashmir Bank. Who is the chairman? R.K. Chibbar. R.K. Chibbar is the chairman of this bank. And okay, so this much is enough for Jammu Kashmir. Tony Koras has retired from international football. He is from which country? So he is from Germany. He is from Germany. And who is the ambassador for Germany? Mukta Tomar. Mukta Tomar is India's ambassador to Germany. Kirsten Warholm has broken the record of Kevin Young by completing 400-meter hurdles in 46.7 seconds. He is from which country? So he is from Norway. He is from Norway. Norway's capital is Oslo. Oslo. And what is the capital of Germany? Berlin. Denmark. Copenhagen. Copenhagen. Sweden. Sweden's capital is okay, I will tell you later. And who is India's ambassador to Norway? Dr. Bhala Bhaskar. Dr. B. Bhala Bhaskar. India's ambassador to Sweden? Tanmay Lal. Tanmay Lal. India's ambassador to Denmark is Pooja Kapoor. Pooja Kapoor. Germany, Mukta Tomar. Mukta Tomar. Okay, so you should remember all these points regarding the ambassadors and the capital Okay, so let's go. Who chaired the 6th meeting of BRICS Culture Ministers meeting through video conference? So this has been done by the Prahlad Singh Patel, the Culture and Tourism Minister Prahlad Singh Patel. And BRICS, this is a NDB bank which is based in Shanghai, which is headquartered in Shanghai. And National Development Bank, who is the president? Marcos Prado Troijo. And he's from Brazil. Brazil's capital is Brasilia. Brasilia. President of Brazil is Jair Bolsonaro. And NDB has given $646 million for Andhra Pradesh to Andhra Pradesh for road constructions. Okay, so this much you can remember. Indian Army Chief Manoj Narvane will inaugurate the Indian Army Memorial in which country? So it will inaugurate in Italy. Indian Army Chief Manoj Mukund Narvane will inaugurate Indian Army Memorial in Italy. And who is ambassador to Italy? Dr. Nina Malhotra. Dr. Nina Malhotra is India's ambassador to Italy, and for the first time Italy has launched the first mega food park in Gujarat, I think in Sanand district maybe. Okay, so remember, in Gujarat. And the headquarter of Rome, the capital is Rome. In Rome we have the headquarter for FAO and IFAD and World Food Program and International Fund for Agriculture Development. This is International Fund for Agriculture Development, World Food Program, and Food and Agriculture Organization. So you can remember these things. Okay, so let's move. Portugal's capital is Lisbon. Who has become the highest run getter in women's cricket across the formats, overtaking former England skipper Charlotte Edwards. So this is Mithali Raj. So Mithali Raj, obviously she is from Rajasthan, and she has become the highest run getter in women's cricket across the format. Which Formula One driver has won the title Australian Grand Prix? So Australian Grand Prix has won by Max Verstappen, and he is from Netherlands. Has won the Austrian Grand Prix. And what is the capital of Australia? Australia's capital is Vienna, and we have the headquarters of IAEA here, and OPEC headquarters is also in Vienna. OPEC. Which state government is planning to establish health ATMs to provide better health facilities to the people in the state? So health ATM has been planning by the Uttar Pradesh government. Uttar Pradesh government is planning to set up the health ATMs. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is planning this. And recently in Uttar Pradesh, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Cultural Center has been set up in Lucknow. In Lucknow, we have the headquarters for SIDBI. And Baba Gambhirnath Cultural Center is set up in Gorakhpur. And there is one statue called Maharaja Soheldev Memorial has been set up in Bahrain. And there are two dams recently inaugurated, that is Rasin Dam and Chilimal Dam and Arjun Sahayak Irrigation Project. Arjun Sahayak Irrigation Project is coming up here. And recently the 8th airport, Bareilly Airport, has started its operation, and India's first farmer producer portal has which is called Shakti Portal. Shakti Portal, what is it? It is Shakti Portal. This is India's first farmers producer portal. This is a producer portal, FPO portal, farmer producer portal. And Kitham Lake is there. Kitham Lake. And the biggest film city is coming up in Gautam Buddha Nagar. And India's first leather park is going to be set up in Kanpur. India's first leather park is going to be set up in Kanpur. And Abhyuday scheme is there. Abhyuday scheme, free coaching named Patshri Abhiyan, Path Pradarshak, free coaching for the poor students. And there is one more, Udyam Sarthi app also. Udyam Sarthi app also launched by Uttar Pradesh government. So these are the things enough for Uttar Pradesh government. Who is the author of the book? Lady Doctors, the untold story of the India's first women in medical. So this is Kavita Rao. Kavita Rao has written this book, Lady Doctors. So these were the current affairs of 8th of July. I will see you on 9th of July.